About a year ago, we were deciding what we wanted to do as far as growth for Nationwide Boiler. We were just looking at maybe we were a little complacent where we were, and we needed to perhaps review our strategy and going forward. And so about a year ago, we sat down, we had a little retreat, and we decided over some strategic ideas that we wanted to implement. One of those ideas was to be very deliberate about our CataStak business, our SCR business. Another thing that came out of that was we needed to look for some people.
And we're now getting some real top quality people on board that can really take us to the next generation.
I think the biggest thing I sense is that Jeff and Larry have given me the time to really meet with the customer and determine what their real needs are, and to take the time to explore the best options and the best opportunities.
But recently now we can talk about lowering carbon footprint, lowering greenhouse gas emissions, helping climate change, and our product does that. It lowers NOx and CO and helps improve the ozone. And people can relate to that these days. So we hired an industry expert, Sean McMenamin, to really take us to the next level.
We're really focusing on small gas turbines, as well as any boiler, that package boiler that would be in the fleet, as well as refinery equipment, fired heaters, cokers, any kind of equipment like that. It's really good to be working out of Texas. The Houston area, all the way up through the Tulsa area, is very busy with engineering companies and end users. So being there, representing Nationwide as the leader of the Nationwide Environmental Solutions business unit, is pretty advantageous.
We also hired Jim Barbeau, formerly with Powerhouse Equipment in New Jersey. Jim's 30-year experience with rentals, boiler rentals, very well known and respected in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states, and he's going to be heading up our Eastern business area.
There's a number of OEMs just in the Midwest area. I'd say 6 or 7 that are keeping us very busy. And what's really interesting is the feedback that we're getting from them is very positive. They're looking for new sources. They're looking for reliability. They're looking for response, and that's what they're getting from Nationwide.
Anytime they have questions, anytime they would like some advice, anytime they want to explore a project, we're willing to get in the car, get in a plane, come visit them, sit down with them, listen to their needs, and to help them work through solutions.
Well, I'm here to expand the CataStak brand of cells and add to the engineering capabilities of the company. You know, like I said before, I think there's a lot of horsepower now added to the company, and we're poised for significant growth.
And there's a lot of changes, and I'm looking forward to change. Most people, myself included, I'm not a big fan of change, but this is good change, and it's change in the right direction.
I really like being in a group of people that understand the goals and are all pulling, with the same vision in mind. So it's a good team to work with.
I really believe that business is still people to people. And I don't want to be sitting behind a computer screen or hiding behind email. We think that we need to be visiting customers and building those relationships and solving their problems.
This is just the beginning. We're not even done yet, not even close. There's still many more opportunities in all departments: engineering, sales, marketing. Bring it on.
And it's really exciting here to be where we are right now, because the future is bright. We're attacking new markets. We're having a good time. We have an unbelievable team.
Since we've hired some of these great people, what I've seen, how they've interjected themselves, how they've contributed, how they're taking up the banner for their areas of responsibility. It's just so exciting to see how everybody's so enthusiastic, energized, and into the game. Much more than I expected. Just the synergy, the teamwork that's going on. I know that's kind of a cliche, chemistry, teamwork, but when you actually see it happening and being a part of it, you can't help but be excited. I'm really optimistic for the future. I can't wait to see what's going to happen, and I just hope that they include me in all this as we're going forward.